Is your Samsung Galaxy Watch failing to record your workouts? You're not alone. Common causes include software glitches after updates, battery optimization settings that kill background processes, occasional hardware issues, or app conflicts. The watch relies on sensors like accelerometers for motion detection, heart rate monitors, and GPS for location tracking. Make sure the watch is snug but not tight, and calibrated in the Samsung Health app. Let's dive into fixes. Before diving into deeper fixes, let's try some quick solutions. First, restart your watch by pressing and holding the power button. Next, force a sync with your phone through the Galaxy Wearable app. Then, check for any available software updates in the Galaxy Wearable app, as Samsung frequently releases patches. Clearing the cache of the Samsung Health app can also resolve the issue. Finally, ensure that location permissions are enabled on your watch. Workout recording requires a stable connection between your Galaxy Watch and smartphone. Ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled to allow seamless data syncing during your activities. Crucially, location permissions must be enabled for the Samsung Health app to accurately track outdoor workouts using GPS. Indoor workouts might struggle without a strong GPS signal. Aggressive battery optimization can prevent Samsung Health from running in the background, leading to incomplete workout recordings. To fix this, go to your watch's settings. Then check the Apps section. Find Samsung Health. And ensure battery optimization is turned off for this app. Be mindful when using power-saving mode during workouts, as it might limit functionality. Remember the Reddit user who fixed their run recording issue by disabling battery saver for Samsung Health. If all else fails, a factory reset might be necessary. This will erase all data on your watch, so back up important information first. Navigate to Settings, General, Reset on your watch. This restores the watch to its default state, often resolving persistent software glitches. Keep in mind that you'll need to repair your watch with your phone and reconfigure your settings. Samsung is increasingly using AI to improve workout tracking on Galaxy Watches. Newer models feature enhanced AI-driven workout detection that automatically recognizes different activities with high accuracy. Future updates promise even better integration with popular fitness apps like Strava and Google Fit. This will help reduce app-specific bugs and ensure smoother data syncing across platforms. Generative AI is also being integrated to predict and autocorrect recording errors. For example, it can automatically resume a paused workout if motion is detected again, ensuring you don't lose any valuable fitness data. Keep an eye out for these updates and new features as Samsung continues to improve workout tracking through AI advancements. Online forums, such as Reddit's endorsed Galaxy Watch and the Samsung community, are valuable resources for finding solutions to specific problems. Users often share their experiences and fixes. Search for threads related to your watch model and the recording issue you're facing. For example, look for posts about Watch 6 workout glitch or similar terms. To keep your Samsung Galaxy Watch recording workouts reliably, staying up to date with software is crucial. Always keep your Samsung Health app and Galaxy Watch firmware updated to access the latest bug fixes and improvements. Regularly check Samsung's official support site at support.samsung.com for the most recent fixes and troubleshooting guides. Tech analysts emphasize that many workout recording issues stem from user setup errors rather than hardware problems. Experts at Harvard Medical School note that incomplete workout recordings can significantly underestimate calorie burn. Consistent software hygiene through monthly updates can prevent most bugs. By following these maintenance practices, your Galaxy Watch will continue to provide accurate and reliable workout tracking for all your fitness activities.